Do you feel uncomfortable with messy cables? How do you deal with these? Hi guys, I'm Neil from Autonomous. In this video today, I'll show you how to transfer the workspace like this to this. This video is about the best cable management items for setup beginners. Also, give you some ideas and inspiration for your setup. Okay, let's begin. The first item is cable management clips. These clips can keep the cables neatly managed. They're easy to install, and on the bottom there's a removable sticky tape that you use to mount on the side of surfaces like desks or even underneath. For example, on the side of your desk, you can keep the phone and earphone cables neatly organized. You can pull them up and down if you want. They're really out of the way and not taking up much space on your desk. The next item you should know about is zip tie. This is my favorite accessory for cable management. Everyone probably already knows how to use them, and they're a really great, inexpensive way to hold a bunch of cables tightly together without separating. But also, you can use them with zip mount, which you can put on the bottom of your desk to keep a bunch of the cables from dropping down to the ground and being an eyesore. With these zip mounts, you just mount them to the bottom. They're sticking up when you use the zip ties to keep everything organized. Now let's talk about hiding the cables. You can use spiral cable wrap. You can put all the messy cables of your laptop, PC, phone charger and signal cable easily and neatly into the tube. Spiral cable wrap allows you to quickly, efficiently and easily bundle cables with a conduit tool. It's an ideal accessory for hiding cables at the back of your desk setup, or every cable in your home if you want to hide them. And the last thing is cable tray from Autonomous. This cable tray can be used for all desks and is very easy to install with just 4 screws. But if you are using Smart Desk from Autonomous, you don't have to drill because our Smart Desk already has 4 screw holes for you to easily install the tray. This cable tray is made from solid steel so it can hold a bunch of power strips and multiple cables. The cable tray is like all cable management items in one. So you can hide the cables, the power strips, stop the cables from dropping to the ground, and of course, it's very beneficial for those who are just starting out doing cable management. Overall, I hope every item that I suggested can help you have some ideas and inspiration to make your setup look better. Let me know down below if you have other ideas about cable management and if this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Autonomous for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the future.